Hello guys, today I do have the OPPO Reno 15 and I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix the battery draining fast. If your battery is draining very rapidly, the first thing that I do recommend checking and making sure that you don't have this habit is that if you don't use these applications like TikTok whole day, Instagram whole day. Like, the issue is that TikTok is draining your battery very much. Instagram to Facebook to every single social media application is draining your application very fast. So the first thing that I check is just if you don't have this habit of using these applications that much. If you do, try not using these applications that much, and the battery should be a lot better. Apart from that, try not using your phone while charging, it's because it can damage your battery, and especially don't use your phone, don't charge your phone while gaming. And now let's focus on more these software fixes. At first, open settings, and now here scroll down to the battery. Now scroll down and tap last 24 hours. Or maybe last 7 days is actually useless for us, so just select last 24 hours. Here, as I can see, we do have battery reset by application. If you here do have an application you don't really recognize, just tap this application. Maybe not the system launcher actually, but if you here do see the application you don't really recognize, just tap this application and tap for stop. Then go to the application list and just uninstall this application. But at first, make sure that this application is not the system service. How to know that this is a system service application? It has some system like in the name mostly. If you tap this application, you will see here that information about this application, like for example background activity time, foreground activity time, etc. And apart from that, if you go here to the application list and here app management, you can easily tap show system and see which are the system applications and just search for this application. If you see that this application is system, just don't do anything with that. So this is for the battery. If you see that any application over here on this list is abnormally high, I mean the battery usage is abnormally high, like here as you can see we have the camera, just try to restart your device, and to do so you need to hold this button. Wait a moment. You need to hold the volume up and power and move the circle to the restart over here. Once your phone is restarted, you will see that this should be fixed. If it still doesn't work for you, you need to now go here and tap power saving mode and turn on. And this should help you, but this is an only temporary issue. In the meantime, you can just go to the authorized service and check if there are any issues with your battery itself. And actually, apart from that, go back to this list here and tap on this application. And if you see that Chrome has 46 minutes and 37 seconds background activity time, you need to go to back to this list over here, apps, app management, and here's search for this Chrome. I mean, not especially for the Chrome, but for the application that has abnormally background activity and it's not a system application. Go to this application over here, and now here, as you can see, we do have data usage, storage usage, permissions, manage notifications, etc. You need to where was that? Wait a moment. Not notifications. It was here in the permissions, I think. Yes, here in the permissions, enable this option, manage app if unused. And here, disable all the permissions that this application has. And you don't really use this application that much, this feature that much. Apart from that, you can try to tap for stop or disable over here. But of course, once you open this application, it will just be here back again. And actually, that's it. Have a nice day and goodbye.